Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is an enhancement to the workflows. And I'll try to explain this and we'll kind of walk through this together for those of us who have not used this before or are not familiar with it. But this is what we call Pluck and Join helpers. So the idea here is the Pluck and Join feature enables users to dynamically extract product details from order submissions and format them into a single string or extract specific details only. The idea is, let's just say you have a string and you just want to grab a certain piece of it or certain part of it. You can do this and then you can sort of join them together later. And I'll walk you through this here in 2 seconds. But basically, this functionality is helpful because a lot of people, the first thing you'll ask is, when in the world would you use this, right? This functionality is helpful to send data to platforms like Google Sheets. So for example, maybe you only want to send the product name from the store to the Google Sheet every time there's a new purchase, something like that. So for example, let's kind of walk through this real quick. So right here, notice it says join pluck order.line _ items title, comma, right? So what's going to happen here, actually, let's start with an easier example over on the right-hand side. Join happy and birthday plus, and then what'll happen here is you'll literally get happy plus birthday. So the idea is you're going to take the word happy and birthday and join it together with a plus. That's what that is. So that is a join example, right? Basically, it allows you to concatenate or combine two strings. The pluck allows you to actually pull stuff out. So here, notice it says out of this pluck, basically name Alice, age 30, name Bob. So this is like an array, right? This is deep. I get it. So an array is like a group of things. So like you can see like maybe this is a person. So you have like two people. One's Alice, age 30. The other's Bob, age 25. And basically what you want to do is out of this array, this group, you just want to pluck out the names and then return them. And so now notice if you do pluck, you get Alice and Bob. So for example, you want to send an online order product title to Google Sheets. Notice down here, and that's the example here, you want to basically join together after you pluck the order.line items, and you want to pluck out the titles, and then you want to join them all with commas. So you're going to get test offer as a product, another product, comma, last item. So the idea would be it'd just be like a concatenation of all the products I bought all in one row. This is a very advanced feature. I love that this got done because I know that this came from your feedback, but anybody who watches this and says, I have no idea, even after Sean's terrible explanation, how this works or what this is for, don't sweat it. I don't think this is like an everybody feature, but we do have a great help article on this. So go to help.gohighlevel.com and you can see how to fetch product details purchased by customers and workflows. It'll kind of walk you through this. The nice thing is Pluck and Join is like a global concept, so you can also kind of Google it and figure that out. So anyways, for all of you who are waiting for this feature, I am so excited we got this live. For all of you like myself who are probably like, what, huh? Don't even worry about it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.